Here's how you can make money with Shopify without doing any drop shipping or selling any of your own physical products. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So every time you hear about Shopify, you either think of dropshipping or maybe about selling your own physical products. But it is indeed the biggest e-commerce website on the planet. This is where everybody goes to when they have products to sell, especially physical products. But selling physical products is not the only way of making money with the Shopify platform. There are other ways to do that, and this is what we're going to talk about in this video. And one of the very effective way of making money with Shopify is to join the affiliate program and to promote the platform itself. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's when you sell other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. And Shopify has actually a very interesting affiliate program where you can get paid anywhere between just under $60 per referral all the way up to $2,000 per referral. Plus, there are other ways that you can get paid with Shopify other than promoting Shopify itself. And I'm going to talk more about that later in this video. So don't forget to watch this and don't skip this video. So if we go to Shopify pricing page here, you will see that they have 3 different plans that you can sign up for. They have a basic plan that costs $29 per month. They have a Shopify plan and they have an advanced plan. And basically how the affiliate program works is that you would get a one-time bounty payment of 200% of whatever plan they sign up for. So if they sign up for the basic plan at $29 per month, you would get $58 for that referral. If they sign up for the Shopify plan, which is $79 per month, you would get just under $160 for that referral. And if they sign up for the advanced plan, which costs like $300 per month, then you would get just under $600 for that one referral. They also have a 4th plan, which is the Shopify Plus subscription. This is for more advanced people. This is not necessarily advanced people, but for people who make a huge amount of sales per month, like really big stores. And those kinds of people will usually require more features from Shopify. And basically, since they will require more features, they will end up paying more. And you could get paid up to $2,000 for those kinds of membership. So how could you go about promoting this particular tool, right? So the first thing you want to do is obviously sign up for Shopify and learn how to use the tool, okay? If you're going to promote this, it's a good idea that you know exactly how the tool works. And my advice would be that you sign up for the basic plan, which costs like $29 a month. And this would be like a good investment that you can use to learn how to use Shopify. You can learn how to create stores. This is the number one thing that most people will try to learn, and try to learn what are the best Shopify apps to use, how to install them, what are the best ones to use, and that will make a good return on investment for your potential customers. So, you want to spend a few days or a few weeks at least, learning how to use this tool and how to become very good at, creating stores and doing a lot of other stuff related to Shopify. So once you've done that, there is really 2 ways you can go about to promoting Shopify. The number one way is to obviously use YouTube. YouTube is the number 2 biggest website on the planet in terms of traffic, and you can basically create different types of content on YouTube. You don't have to show your face. You can simply screen record your computer where you show people how to do certain things, how to create stores. As I've said, it's the number one thing that most people want to learn, and can simply create a video every single day showing people how to create Shopify stores. And it's okay if it's similar content, because most of your videos will be watched by new people, so you don't have to worry about people seeing the similar types of content every single day. You need to understand that there's so many people on YouTube, and most of your views will come from people discovering your videos for the first time. So you want to create as much content, even if it is the similar types of content every single day. That's totally fine. YouTube will always find new people to watch your videos, and you want to create content every single day, screen recording your computer. You don't have to show your face, and you can basically do this every single day, targeting specific keywords. So for example, if I show you inside of my keyword research tools for YouTube, you will see that there are over 1.7 million people every month searching Shopify on YouTube. This is a very in-demand products. Shopify dropshipping and Shopify store, Shopify tutorials for beginners, 273,000. So those are people trying to learn how to create Shopify stores, Shopify tutorials, Shopify training, how to create Shopify stores, 23,000 searches. Shopify dropshipping tutorial. And maybe if you don't know much about dropshipping, maybe don't create content about dropshipping. You don't have to go and create content about things that you don't really know, but how to create store is something that you can learn very quickly and then show other people how to do it. So as you can see, there's so many different search terms that you can target and create content around. And as you can see, there's a ton of searches every month, and the competition is not necessarily that high. Even medium competition is still good to go for. You can still find some very low competition keywords as well. And what you want to do, as I just said, is you want to create content every single day, at least one video a day, and eventually you will start seeing amazing results. Eventually your views will start to stack up, and you will start generating consistent amount of views and traffic through your videos, which will lead you to making affiliate sales. The second way you could go about generating traffic and thus sales for your Shopify affiliate business is to go on Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform where you can create very easy type of content. There are simple images with big headlines, and you can create content on Pinterest. If I show you this particular keyword research tool here for Pinterest, you can see that there are a ton of people searching Shopify on Pinterest. 165,000 monthly searches for the term Shopify. What is Shopify? 18,000. Shopify store, Shopify website. So there are a lot of demand on both YouTube and Pinterest for Shopify. So you could create content on Pinterest for Shopify and then drive that content to your landing page, where you would have your Shopify affiliate link, or you could redirect that traffic to your YouTube videos to increase your views and go even higher in the rankings on YouTube. So those are two traffic sources that are totally free that you could use to really build traffic and build sales through your affiliate marketing business with Shopify. So obviously guys, this is not some BS quick way to make money online. This method will take a little bit of time. You will have to persevere and be very consistent with this for a few months before you start seeing results. If you post content every single day, or maybe even more than one video a day, if you can, then you will start seeing results a lot faster. But the good thing is, if you do it with the YouTube method, eventually you start generating so many views that you could stop making videos for a few weeks and still generating views and sales that will earn you a huge amount of money. YouTube is the great way of building free traffic and passive income. So if you do it that way, it's really a great way of building traffic and making an income for yourself online. One word of advice I need to share with you is that you do need to apply for the Shopify affiliate program, and to be accepted inside of the Shopify affiliate program, you need to show them that how exactly you would drive traffic and get them sales for their product. So one word of advice I would give you is to start generating content on YouTube or Pinterest before you apply for the Shopify affiliate program, because if you don't have that already, they will most probably not accept you. So you need to already have something to show them for them to accept you into their program. And as I've said earlier in this video, there's a second way you could make money through Shopify other than their own affiliate program, is to also promote different themes and apps that you could use inside of your Shopify stores. A lot of those Shopify stores, they need different themes and they need different apps that is needed for a lot of people who wants to do e-commerce. They need different types of apps and themes, and you could promote those as well. They do have affiliate programs as well. There are themes that cost like $100 or $200, and you could earn a nice commission promoting those as well. So this is a second way where you can make affiliate commissions other than promoting Shopify alone. There you go guys, I hope you've learned a lot from this video, and you're going to apply some of the things that you've learned in here. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.